what are the factors responsible for increasing popularity of additive manufacturing? Illustrate its application in different fields. Now, about the additive manufacturing, 3D technology is also known as additive manufacturing because you put one layer of a material over the other in order to create an object. Now, this is a 15 marker question in which the demand of the question is, first, always remember, as I said, there is always an about of the question and there is always an approach of the question. The about of the question is about 3D technology. It is 3D technology. And what shall be the approach of the question? The approach of the question shall be discussing the different factors which are responsible for the increasing popularity. So you have to discuss the factors, and then the second part is discussing the applications. Now, since it is a 15 marker question, you cannot go beyond 250 words. That is the upper limit. For big handwriting, or if you have made a infographic, then you can go 2.5 pages, but try to limit it within the 2 pages if possible. So now in the introduction, you can write about the 3D technology. Then of course, first part of the answer will be the factors which are responsible for. So this is also the benefits of 3D technology. Why? What is the factors for the increasing popularity? What is the benefits? What are the good things that 3D technology is offering? Now, before showing you the model answer, I would like to show you the first draft given by a student and what problems did I find in that. Now, the student has given this introduction. All right, fine. Then the student has given what are the factors for the increasing popularity of 3D. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. All right, fine. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points about what are the different applications, and then a conclusion. I am absolutely happy with the conclusion. I am happy with the applications also, but you have to understand you cannot make such a wordy answer. This is more than 450 words answer. So my first concern is the word limit. The word limit has been crossed. Second, try to put, if there are 2 points or if there are 2 parts of the answer in the body, try to make 1 point as an infographic in the form of HubSpot or in the form of a table. It gives one visibility is better. The examiner has an idea what the student has written, and also whenever there are answers which has both diagram and the words or paragraphs, it is also having the chances of getting better marks. All right, so let us see what to write in this answer. In the introduction, I think the best is to tell or to explain what is 3D, because that is the approach of the question. All right, so additive manufacturing, also known as 3D printing, is the manufacturing of precise geometric shapes which are created by depositing material layer upon another, hence additive manufacturing. Alright, and what do you use? You use computer aided design model. That's it. You do not need to go beyond 40-50 words in your introduction. You have explained what is 3D technology, which is good enough. Now coming to the body of the answer. In body, the first thing that you have to explain is what are the advantages which are offered by 3D technology. So in the advantages, you can write the easy availability of raw material. The raw material is both easily available as well as it is cheap. It is cheap to make, for example, the houses that are being made using 3D printing. These are much cheaper than the houses that you might, that you'll make using the conventional method. And especially in a country like India, where there is a huge population of poor, you can have so many applications of 3D technology. The next advantage means faster manufacturing. Obviously, there will be industrial scale of manufacturing, cost effective because the raw material is cheaper, the production will be in bulk, so the overall cost shall reduce. Also the risk reduction, since it will be more automated. It will be more automated and human interference will be minimum. The risk shall also become minimum. Now coming to the second part of the answer is the application of the additive manufacturing or application of the 3D. In application, you can write in the food industry. In the food industry, you can say that you actually can create food by putting in the ingredients, by putting in the micronutrients. So you can say that it can be used to generate food with its nutritional value. In fact, NASA is actually looking into this. Now, since the International Space Station and eventually NASA is planning to send scientists on moon, it is actually looking for the methods of 3D printing of food which has certain food nutritional values as well as weight. Now, for a world where hunger is a big issue, this can actually solve a lot of problems. So I think this point is one unique, very good, and has a lot of applicability in the social sphere. Second, the health sector. In the health sector, you can write that 3D printers have been used to create prosthetics, as I've said, prosthetics in terms of artificial arm, limbs, now nose, ear, and eyes, heart, liver, all of this has been created. So I have given the example also that recently a man in UK, a 40-year-old man in UK was operated and attached a 3D printed ear and was attached a 3D printed ear. Then of course the automobile sector. In the automobile sector, it allows the rapid prototyping of the components of the automobiles and helps in the manufacturing and also making the overall cost come down. So the cost effectiveness is also something which is provided by 3D. And then of course in the aerospace and defense, one area which is really taking a stride in 3D printing is aerospace and defense, especially with companies, big giants like General Electricals, Airbus, Titanium. They are actually starting a series production in large manufacturing facilities for the aerospace. Then of course the education sector. Now how in education sector it will help in 3D printing all the equipment, scientific material, lab material, etc., which is necessary and actually will equip the schools and colleges. So we have given in this answer, we have given both the factors which are responsible for making 3D printing a good viable option. We have also given the application of 3D printing in different areas. We have said that it has applications in food industry. So rather than saying in manufacturing of food, I use the term food security. Because whenever there is an application based question, you need to keep in mind that that application should have impact on population. That point should be taken up first. For example, the Airbus or the automobile industry will always come later. The food security will come first. The health industry will come first. Then education, then automobile, aerospace, and then a little description of these areas has to be done. Now coming to the conclusion of the answer, the conclusion has to be precise. See, always try to wind up your answer in 2 pages. Since here I am having a little broad handwriting, so it has gone beyond 2 pages. But see, here also the word limit has been kept in mind and within 3 lines it is done. So it says that the ever evolving 3D technology can bring digital flexibility, efficiency and cost benefits to the manufacturing operations, and by that you can wind up your answer. So we learned 2 things here. First thing is we need to take care of the word limit, because I saw that even this answer is not bad. This answer is actually exactly how I have written that answer. In fact, in this answer I have explained the factors why this technology is becoming so popular. There was even that how thermoplastic polymers are being used for chemical industries, etc. In speed, how the speeding will be enhanced, how the tangible designs can be made, because you see it in the screen and it is out there. Making it physically becomes a little difficult. How risk reduction is done. So the thing is, the idea is not how much you know, but what is the area you want to explain? If you are explaining this part, you will have limitations in this part. But whenever there is an application based question or one part is application, you have to focus more on the different sectors where that technology has the application. So this was my little tip for how to tackle questions in which different applications of a technology are being asked. So I'll be coming up with more such answers. Till then, keep reading and keep practicing the questions, and let us know how we can help you. Thank you very much. Have a good day.